I do. Respect my partner's privacy and never read text messages or emails without permission.
I do discuss important financial decisions with my partner.
I do listen and offer support when something is bothering my partner.
I do make sure I never try to shame my partner into making decisions.
I do encourage my partner to spend time with my friends and family.
I do refrain from taking out my frustrations on my partner.
I do strive to participate equally in our relationship.
I do respect my partner and never try to intimidate her by throwing things, hitting walls, or driving dangerously.
I do speak respectfully to my partner in private and in public.
I do listen to my partner and never go further sexually than she wants to.